Yo, what's up? This is Smiley. We're here in the house upstairs doing a little workout. You know what I'm saying? Got a little workout in downstairs. Hitting the bag. I got my boy in training right here. He's doing his thing. And of course, we got my man right here. This is Big Jack right here.
What up?
What up? This is Big Jack right here.
Yeah, it's gonna make me this big one day.
Yeah, we're gonna get nasty big. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Fucking yeah.
So right now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna watch my boy Eric go ham on the bag real quick. Let's go. Let's go. E. Let's go. Quick minute, man. Quick minute, man. We're gonna go a quick minute. Let's go. This MMA dudes. Nice. 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 Okay. 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 Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Let's see that gut shot. Okay. Let's get. Woo! Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo! Let's get it. Okay, now. Part 1. That's good.